Hey guys, good morning. So today we'll be setting up my washing machine. This is my I got a new manual washing machine and I just want to show you how to set it up, and we are basically setting it up together with the manual in it. So yeah, so let's no long talk, let's just get started. And I have I'm a little bit under the weather, so yeah, that's why my voice is like this. So I hope you could hear me. So now let's just get straight into business. This is how it looks. And I've already unboxed it before. Can you see it? This is where the manual, okay. Manual, I don't know what it is for. I think this is the eyelet hose for taking in water. Then here's the leg. It has this leg issue. This is all it's came with. But I just don't have to fix this with me. So let's get started already. Sorry. It came with a manual, and a warranty card. This is a warranty card, so yeah, I think a new warranty also. A manual and a warranty card. They had a screw. I don't know what this screw is for. Maybe like extra also. Maybe when one gets run out, we would use it. So this is what it came with. Then I think this is the fourth screw. I will attach it down here right now. I'll show you guys how I do that. So it has 4 legs, the 4 screws. And it came with this hose too, and to connect this to the washing machine. Then this, you connect it to like tap to take in water into the washing machine. Good. Then this, now I don't really know what this is for, but we'll find out soon. So we are just going to set the leg now. Listen, it's not that heavy. It's not heavy. This is the water to drain out. This is the pipe used in draining out water. Yeah. So right now, we'll just I just want to just turn it upside down. And we're going to be setting the leg. I don't know how to position my foot. That's why I'm doing fancy like this, but let's do this. It has 4 legs. Can you see it here? So we're just gonna do that. Basically, what happens basically all for the setting of the legs. Let's turn this off. So now we are done setting the leg. Then I'm trying to know how to set this hose for taking water. And please use your manual when setting yours. So according to the manual, this place number 2, it says washing inlet mouth. So this is it, and on the machine this is where it is according to the picture. So I think we're just going to screw this in. How can I get that when I do this? We're just going to screw this. Okay, it's in already. So basically there is a hole order here, there's a hole here. So when you connect this to your tap, the water would enter, the water for washing. This is where you take, you can pour in water, but this one is just for to make it easy for you. If you have like a tap here, you could like just connect it. So when and on it, when you and off it, you get. So this is the washing inlet mouth. So you take in water through this pipe to this pipe. Then this is the, according to the manual, they say we should, I think this is for water level. I don't know what this is for, but I think it's for water level, just for you to know where your water should stop to avoid it entering maybe the engine or so. I don't really know, but yeah, but they say this should be intact whenever you want to wash according to the manual. Then what else? I would wash with it and should be very hard. Then I think this other one is for after putting your clothes for spinning or for drying, you cover your clothes with this, and then cover this, and then this, then you can dry. You get? I think that's what that one is for. Then this is the hose. This hose is for taking out water when you are done washing or rinsing. Like okay. For here now, they said according to this timer, according to the manual, you would use the timer like, you know, set it to 3 after pouring in water for washing, taking in water, add your detergent. After adding your detergent, you will spin it for like a minute. You will spin for like a minute, you know, to allow the detergent to lather. After that, before you add in your clothes. And for the clothes, your clothes, you don't add in the winter jackets and those ones that have like balloon. It's not advisable to use this to wash it, those winter jackets and all that. And your clothes that has zip or button, you should turn it upside down. Like all your clothes should be always turned backward when washing to avoid it, you know, the zip from hooking on something or the, you know, zipper from getting torn or something. So yeah, that's basically all in setting this washing machine. Then when I wash, I would let you guys know. There's no light now, I would have tried washing 1 or 2 clothes, but when they bring light, I'll show you how I do mine, and that will be for another video. But for this is just the setup of this manual washing machine, and this is where the socket. So yes, this is just for the setting of this manual washing machine, and this is the cover for washing. We're just gonna place it like this, and when washing, this is how it looks. This is a 7.5 kg small one. So when washing and you want to like see what you're washing, you can just place the cover right here. You know, it's not like this one that has this stuff for it. So you just place the cover like right here and wash.